Good morning, class. So I had already done exercise 28 with you, and one question I'll discuss with you again, because I have come across when you people are solving it, you are taking the wrong numerators. So I will demonstrate the solution to you again. Look carefully. This is improper fraction. So we will first change this into, this is mixed fraction. We will change into improper fraction first. How do we do that? 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5 gives me how much? How much does it give me? Think. It gives me 21 and upon 8 plus 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 7. How much will 48 plus 7 give me? It's gonna give me 55 upon 12, the denominator as it is, plus 6 1s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 upon 6. Okay. So I have just changed mix into improper fraction. Now what I will do is I will take the LCM of the denominators. Let me take the LCM 8, 12 and 6. Okay. So see, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 3 as it is. Then 2 1s are 2. Then 3 and then 3. Finally 3, 1, 1 and 1. So students, this was there. So my LCM is gonna come what? Let's see. LCM is what? LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Or I can just write down 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Which means what? 8 into 3, which means 24. Okay. So now what am I going to do is I am going to write the LCM is equal to 24. And I will make a bar like this and write 24 below it. Okay. Next step is what, students? I have to just see that 24 divided by 8 gives me what? 24 divided by 8 gives me 3. So this 3 which is coming, the LCM divided by the denominator gives me 3. 3 I will multiply with the numerator 21 plus 24 divided by 12. If I divide 24 by 12, it will give me what? It will give me 2. So this 2 I will multiply with the numerator, which is 55, plus 24 divided by 6 gives me what? It gives me 6 4s are 24. It gives me 4. So this 4 I will multiply with the numerator 7. So what I have done is I have just found out the questions, and with these questions I am multiplying the numerator. What is the logic behind this, students? The logic is that you just have to see that in the table of 8, where does 24 come? On 3. So we will multiply 21 also with 3. In the table of 12, where does 24 come? Because we have made all the denominators as 24. In the table of 12, 24 comes on 2. So we will multiply the numerator with 2. Plus, in the table of 6, where does 24 come? It comes on 4. So we will multiply the numerator with 4. This is how it goes. And just to find out that where does 24 come in the table of 8, what have I done is I have divided 24 with 8. Likewise, I have divided 24 with 12. Likewise, I have divided 24 with 6. If you know the table, well and good. ठीक है, अभी आपको पता है 24 के टेबल में 8 के टेबल में 24 comes on 3. तो आपको डिवाइड करने के लिए बेटा it's not necessary. But if you don't know, you can just divide the LCM with the denominator. You will get this. So these all are the questions which we have found. Okay, see 3, 2 and 4. And we will multiply the numerator. What I was seeing is when you were sending me the pictures of the solutions, मैंने क्या देखा था बच्चे? आपने numerators को as it is copy किया हुआ है. 21, 55, 7. As it is copy नहीं करना है. आपको उसको multiply करना है. किस number से multiply करना है? The denominator will decide कि किस number से multiply करना है. आपने सारे denominators को क्या बना दिया? 24. क्यों बना दिया? I have taught you already, students, that you cannot add the fractions until and unless their denominators are same. तो आपने सबके denominators को क्या बना दिया? 24 बना दिया. Okay? तो जब आपने सबको 24 बना दिया, अगर आप डिनोमिनेटर को 24 बना रहे हो, 8 को 24 बनाने के लिए आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो आप न्यूमरेटर को भी 3 से करोगे. लाइकवाइज 12 को 24 बनाने के लिए आपने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 55 को भी 2 से करेंगे फिर. Likewise for 6 you multiplied with what? 4. So 7 also you multiply with 4. Simply we will do the multiplication, students. This is only the most important step. Okay, now 21 threes you can do in the rough column. Okay, utilize the rough column efficiently. So this will give me 63 plus 55 into 2 can give me 110 and 7 fours will give me 28. Okay, and 24. Now I will, students, add this in the rough column. You can just add in your rough column. I have a rough notebook besides me, so I am just adding in that. This is gonna give me 201. ठीक है, सबको ऐड कर देंगे. न्यूमरेटर्स को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर्स लिखे, फिर हमने ऐड करा. बेटा दिस केम 201 अपॉन 24. अब मैम 201 को 24 से डिवाइड करेगी. वाई? बिकॉज दिस इज एन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन एंड वी हैव टू लीव अवर आंसर इन मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. सो मैम ने 201 को बच्चे डिवाइड किया. वेयर शैल आई डिवाइड? आई विल डिवाइड हियर ओनली. 201 लेट मी डिवाइड विद 24. ओके, आई थिंक 24 5 we will do, or 6 let's try with 7 24 into 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 168. We can still go for a bigger number. 24 8s are 8 4s are 32. 3 came here. 8 2s is what? 16. 16 plus 3 is better what? 16 plus 3 is 19. 192 आ गया. I think 192 ही जाएगा. So 24 8s are 192. Okay, and if I will subtract, I will be getting what? 1 minus 2 not possible. This becomes 1, this becomes 9, this becomes 11. 11 minus 2 gives me 9. 9 minus 9 0 0. So बेटा QRD फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? पहले हम रफ में लिख लेते हैं. QRD. Q is 8. Q को सर्कल करा, Q को लिखा. Make one fraction bar. R on the top, circle the R, write the R. Circle the D, write the D. Okay, this is your answer. One thing what I can see is, students, after solving this question, 9 and 24 are coming in one table. In which table does 9 and 24 come? Can you just guess? They come in the table of 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. So answer आ जाएगा 8 whole 3 by 8. Okay, students, 8 whole 3 by 8. Students, now I have written these questions here. Pause your video, open your book and mark these questions in your book. See why I have written exercise 29 2 times, because these word problems are related to addition of fractions. These word problems are related to the subtraction of fractions. तो पहले हमने addition of fractions बेटा we have learned. अब हम उसके word problems करेंगे. Then we will do the subtraction of fractions and we will do the word problems related to that. So let's see how much we are able to cover. Just mark these questions very quickly. And let me open your book, and then open your book. Those who are not having the book, you can just ask the notes from me of the questions. Otherwise I will dictate the question also in the class. Question number 1 and question number 5 of your book, page number 71. So question number 1 says, Rinki read 1/3 part of a book on Monday. I can just show you here. See here. You can just see. Rinki read 1/3 part of a book on Monday, 3/8 part on Tuesday, and this 1/12 part on Wednesday. What fraction of the book she read in 3 days? बेटा 3 days का बताना है कितना फ्रैक्शन रीड करा है. तो we will add for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. हम 3 days का ऐड कर देंगे. So then we will be able to tell how much fraction she has read in 3 days. So simply when we are supposed to find the total, we will add. So beta, we will also write the statements in this question. Everybody in the notebook will write exercise 29. जो भी मैं क्लास में करा रही हूँ ये आपकी नोटबुक में जाएगा ही जाएगा. इसमें से जो मैम क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर लेगी, that will be your class work. You will do in your notebook, okay? And the remaining questions you will do in the as homework, okay? ये सारे questions में से बेटा what ma'am is discussing in the class is your class work. You have to do in the fair copy, and the questions which ma'am will be not doing, that will be your homework. So that also you have to do in the copy, fair copy. Right now you can just keep a practice copies to do the calculations if you are interested. So first question is saying part of book. I will just write the statements. Part of book read on Monday. मंडे को बेटा हाउ मच पार्ट वॉज रेड 1/3. पार्ट ऑफ बुक read on Tuesday. How much was read on Tuesday beta? It was 3/8. Then part of book read on Wednesday. How much was the part of book read on Wednesday? 1/12. So बच्चे we are supposed to find what fraction of the book she read in 3 days. मुझे पता है मुझे 3 fractions को add करना है. तो पहले मैम will बच्चे do the solution here. You remember when we were doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, तो जब भी word problems आते थे, what we were doing, we were first writing the statements, फिर हम solve करते थे fair column में, फिर हम last statement लिखते थे. अगर आपको fair में solve नहीं करना, you can solve in rough, but I will suggest you whenever you are doing the main operations, do in the fair only. So because rough space is not so much. So आपको पता है आपको तीनों को add करना है बेटा. And you have learned with me that you cannot add fractions until and unless the denominators are same. So ma'am will take 3, 8 and 12. What? Ma'am will take the LCM. तो हम 3, 8 और 12 का LCM calculate करते हैं बेटा. Let's see. 2, 3 as it is, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Then 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then 2 will go with this and 3 will remain as it is. Then 1, 3 I will also introduce 3 1s and 1s. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So LCM is equal to 24. So when ma'am is taking out the LCM, ma'am will make a big bar, write 24 here. ठीक है, सबको 24 बना दिया. डिनोमिनेटर्स को 3 को भी, 8 को भी, 12 को भी. 3 को 24 बनाने के लिए हमने किससे मल्टीप्लाई करा है? 8 से. तो न्यूमरेटर को भी हम 8 से करेंगे. 1 को मैम ने 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करा प्लस. और मैम कैसे फाइंड कर सकती थी? 24 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 गिव्स मी 8. 8 आई विल मल्टीप्लाई विद 1 प्लस 24 divided by 8 gives me 3. This 3 which I am finding by dividing both the LCM and denominator, that 3 which is coming I will multiply with the numerator. 3 into 3. ठीक है, plus 24 divided by 12 gives me 2. 24 divided by 12 gives me 2. क्यों? क्योंकि 12 के टेबल में 24 कहाँ पर आता है? 2 पर आता है. तभी 24 को 12 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 2 आएगा. You can just divide all the 3 divisions in the rough column. 24 divided by 12 gives me 2. That 2 I will multiply with the 1. Okay. So my previous year students, as I was telling you, वो all the divisions दिखाते थे. और divisions 3 divisions दिखाने के बाद first, second, third division दिखाने के बाद बेटा they were just putting circles on the numerator. Sorry, the questions. They were putting circles with a colored pen. So you can also do that. Okay. So let's do this. 1 into 8 is 8 plus 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1 into 2 is 2 upon 24. 8 plus 9 is beta what? 17. 17 plus 2 is what? 19. 19 upon 24. 19 and 24 cannot be cut. Okay. This is my final answer, but I will not leave my answer like this because I have to remember that it was a word problem. And what were they asking? What is the last statement they are asking? See carefully. They are asking what fraction of the book did she read in 3 days. So I should write down fraction of book she read in 3 days is equal to how much? Where shall I write? I will write it here. I am just rubbing this. You can students make notes of it by just pausing the video. आप वीडियो को पॉज करके आप इसको रेफर करके सोल्यूशन लिख सकते हो. बाकी जो आप होमवर्क करोगे तो बच्चे that you can do yourself. So last statement I don't have a space. लिखोगे therefore fraction of book she reads in 3 days is 19 upon 24. No need to change into mixed fraction because this is a proper fraction. Okay. So I'm rubbing this solution. I will just rub it beta. Okay. Now we will do question number 5. I have explained you this. You can pause the video and write the solutions of the classwork if you want. Okay. Now students, question number 5 of your word problem. Okay. Let's see what it says. See. Question number 5. Priyanka bought some tomatoes. She used 1/8 kg of these tomatoes for making soup and used these much for making vegetables for the family in a week. तो उसने क्या क्या use करा बेटा? She has used some tomatoes for making soup and she has used some kg of vegetables also. Find the total weight of the tomatoes she brought. Okay. Means she has used first this much weight of tomatoes for making soup. Then she has used this much weight of tomatoes for making vegetables. सो टोटल वेट ऑफ टोमेटोज शी हैज ब्रॉट हाउ मच, पहले उसने इतने यूज करे हैं बेटा प्रियंका ने, फिर उसने इतने यूज करे हैं, तो टोटल कितने यूज करे हैं, वी विल सिंपली एड. सो वी विल राइट डाउन weight of tomatoes, weight, you can frame your own statement students, no problem. Weight of tomatoes used to make soup. कितना वेट ऑफ टोमेटोज उसने यूज करा है बेटा सूप बनाने के लिए. अब आप मेरी वीडियो पॉज करके फटाफट से खुद से सॉल्व करो, ठीक है, फिर मैम का फाइनल आंसर चेक करो कि आपका आंसर मैम के आंसर से मैच कर रहा है कि नहीं. दिस इज द स्मार्ट वे ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स. ओके, so weight of tomatoes used to make soup is how much? It's 1 whole 1/8 kgs. Okay, then weight of tomatoes, tomatoes हमने सूप में भी डाल दिए, tomatoes हमने vegetables बनाने में भी डाल दिए. Weight of tomatoes used to make vegetables, I'm writing in short because I'm explaining you. Vegetables is, you will write the complete spelling, 2 whole 5/6 kgs. Okay, now we have to find the total tomatoes she brought beta. So पहले हमें पता है हम इसको ऐड कर रहे हैं, फिर लास्ट स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे. यहाँ पे लास्ट स्टेटमेंट मत लिखना, सिंपली ऐड कैसे करोगे, 1 whole 1/8 प्लस 2 whole 5/6, इसको ऐड करेंगे. अभी यूनिट्स मत लगाना, लास्ट आंसर में यूनिट्स लगाना मैंडेटरी है, यहाँ पर मत लगाओ. दिस इज अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन, वी विल चेंज इनटू इम्प्रॉपर. 8 1s 8 प्लस 1 9/8 प्लस 6 2s 12. 12 plus 5 is what? It is 17/6. 8 and 6 का बच्चे आप LCM लोगे, it will come out to be 24. I want you to show the LCM also here, so I am making a red mark here. Show the LCM here, okay, in the rough. So 24 LCM आ गया तो मैम will make a big line by 24. अब मैम 24 को 8 से डिवाइड करके देखेगी. 24 को 8 से डिवाइड किया तो आ गया 3. अब इस 3 को करना क्या था, एलसीएम को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करके ये पता चलता है 3 इज द क्वेश्चन. उस 3 को हमें 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 9 into 3 प्लस एलसीएम डिवाइडेड बाय द सेकंड डिनोमिनेटर. 24 को 6 से डिवाइड करो, क्या आंसर आता है, 6 4s 24 बेटा. सो दिस केम 4. अब उस 4 को आपको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इस वाले न्यूमरेटर से, 17 into 4. सी योर मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड एडिशन साइन शुडंट लुक सिमिलर, मेक इट वेरी क्लियर. ओके, 9 3s is 27. I'm writing, making equal to sign here, 27 plus 17 4s is how much? I think 68 is gonna come. You can multiply upon 24. 27 और 68 को add करो. 27 plus 68. It will be 15. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 is what? It's 9. 95 upon 24 आ गया है बेटा. ये कौन सा वाला फ्रैक्शन है, दिस इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. वी विल चेंज इनटू मिक्स्ड, हाउ, बाय डिवाइडिंग. तो मैम ने 95 को 24 से डिवाइड किया. आई थिंक 24 4s, कैन वी ट्राई विद 4s? 24 4s करके देखते हैं. 4 4s 16, 1 कैरी, 4 2s 8 8 प्लस 1 96. 96 तो नहीं लिख सकते 95 के बिलो. अब तो वी विल नॉट डू विद 4, वी विल डू विद 3. 24 3s 3 4s 12, 3 2s 6 प्लस 1 72. ओके, so 72 लिखेगी मैम. 24 3s 72. What is the remainder left? 23. Q R D, Q R D, and this is not the final statement. We have to write. What are we supposed to write? You will write, therefore total weight of tomatoes what is what? ये लिखोगे 3 whole 23/24 kg. I repeat, 3 whole 23/24 kg. You will write that. Okay, so those who had paused the video, I hope your answers were matching when you did yourself, and I will really appreciate the students who are doing like that. Okay, so now students, ma'am is going to discuss exercise 28 with you. So we have done this. Okay, ये क्वेश्चंस फटाफट से मार्क कर लो बच्चे अपने बुक में. वी विल डू दिस इन द नोटबुक. रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस कहाँ पे करने हैं? इन द प्रैक्टिस कॉपी. इट्स फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस. ओके, so many questions if we will do in the notebook beta, your notebook will be filled very quickly. Okay, so we have to do some practice work also. That's why we are asking you to maintain practice copies. So remaining questions are, you will do your self practice. Okay, so students, अभी हम क्लास में कौन से क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, लेट्स सी. Out of these questions, ma'am is going to do right now question number 2 in the class. Remaining will be homework. Then ma'am will do question number, let's do question number 8, not 8, let me take 13 and 19. Okay, like this. Let's do 3 questions in the class. Okay, so we will be done doing this. Remaining parts will be your homework. Okay, beta. Question number 2 ma'am will write very quickly. So this is exercise 28. You will put the today's date and start off after doing these 2 questions. Okay. और एक और बात बेटा, एक्सरसाइज 27 में जो आपने गलत करा है उसका करेक्शन आप पेंसिल से खुद से करोगे. ओके बच्चे, लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 28 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इट इज 7 by 12 minus 3 by 12. First thing, ma'am has told us the golden rule that in case of addition, subtraction, comparison मतलब ascending descending, addition, subtraction, comparison, we can only do for the fractions, we can only do when the denominators are same, and we are so lucky here the denominators are same, so it is possible. तो जब denominator same है, मैम ने क्या सिखाया था, LCM वही हो जाएगा 12. So ma'am will write 12 and ma'am will subtract 7 minus 3. तो जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम होते हैं तब न्यूमरेटर्स को हम एज इट इज नोट डाउन करते हैं. एंड 7 minus 3 का आंसर कितना आ जाएगा बच्चे? इट विल बी 4. इट विल बी 4 by 12. And I will not leave the answer here because I know 4 and 12 come in the table of 2 also and in the table of 4 also. So I will do the cancellation with the table of 4. मुझे पता है 4 की टेबल से कैसे कैंसिल करना है. Speak the table of 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 1s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So इसका आंसर आ जाएगा बच्चे 1 by 3. This is the final answer. तो मैम ने इसमें LCM लिया ही नहीं है. Ma'am has not taken the LCM because the denominators were already same. Now ma'am is going to do question number 13. Okay. Question number 13. I will just drop this students so that I have space to solve question number 13 nicely. Question number 13 is what? It is 4 whole 3 by 4 minus 2 whole 1 by 6. ठीक है बच्चे? This is the question and I have to subtract them. I can just see that they are which kind of fractions. They are mixed fractions. I will change into improper fraction. So 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 by 4. A minus sign. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 6. और मैंने आपको कैसे सिखाया था? Make a cross, make a plus, make a cross, make a plus. So that you remember multiplication, addition. Okay. अब मैम ने देखा 2 fractions are there and we are subtracting, but ma'am will say the subtraction is not possible. Why? Because the denominators are not same. So because the denominators are not same, we know how to make them same by taking the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 3 as it is. Then 3 1s are 3. LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. ठीक है बेटा? 12 is the LCM. Ma'am will write LCM is equal to 12 and ma'am will make a big bar and write 12. 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 gives me 3. That 3 I will multiply with the numerator. 19 into 3. A minus sign this time. 12 divided by 6 gives me 2. And this colored pen I am not doing. I am not having black pen I am having. So 2 I will multiply with the numerator. 13. 19 into 3 will give me 57 minus 13 into 2 will give me 26 upon 12. Okay, my calculations can be wrong. I can make human. I am also human. I can make errors. So you can always tell your teacher that, ma'am, you have made a small mistake here, ma'am, because my answer is different. Okay, you can always point out, no problem. Okay, so let me just subtract it. अब मैम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेगी. इस बार मैम को ऐड नहीं करना है, मैम को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. मैम ने जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करा, मैम्स आंसर इज कमिंग 31 upon 12, which is again an improper fraction. We will change into mixed. So 12 को 31 से 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे. See, I am making extensive use of rough column. You also have to use it. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. 12 3s तो नहीं करेंगे. 12 2s are 24 करा मैम ने. This will become 2. This will become 11. 11 minus 4 gives me what? It gives me 7. Okay. So QRD लिख लिया करो. QRD. Q और यहाँ पे भी लिख सकते हो. No problem. ऐसे लिख लो. QRD. Q is 2. A fraction of R is 7. and D is 12. This is your final answer. Okay. Now the last question for the class is question number 19. Okay. I'm rubbing this. Students, if you want to note down the solution, you can just pause your video. Okay. Better last question, understand carefully. Okay. 19th question says what? 6 minus 1 whole 5 by 9. Okay, beta? Now what I was looking was this fraction was improper. Oh sorry, mixed fraction. I'm so sorry. Mixed fraction. This I can change into improper. But what is this? This is a number. This is not looking like a fraction. Ma'am, it has only one numerator. We cannot see the denominator. Students, whenever you come across a question which doesn't have a denominator, you have to assume that the denominator is 1. किसी भी fraction में जब आपको denominator नहीं show होता है, इसका मतलब उसका denominator होता है, but क्या होता है 1. कोई भी normal number मैम ने लिखा है तो हम बोल सकते हैं it is a fraction, but a fraction with a denominator 1. तो बस आपको ध्यान रखना है, a number where the denominator is missing, a fraction where the denominator is missing, you will make 1 there. Okay. So you will do what? It is 6 by 1 minus 9 ones are 9 plus 5. It is what? 14 upon 9. Okay. अच्छा, 1 के साथ किसी भी नंबर का LCM अगर आप कैलकुलेट करते हो, then LCM is the number itself. अगर आपको नहीं पता, if you cannot just trust me on this, I will show you. 2 I cannot try. I will try with 3 3s are 9, then 3 again. 3 3s are, sorry, 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are क्या होता है बेटा? LCM is equal to 9. तो 1 के साथ किसी भी नंबर का बच्चे, if you find the LCM, then LCM will be the number itself. So 9 is the LCM. Sorry, I should write the LCM first. LCM is equal to 9. Make a big bar. Write 9. 9 divided by 1 gives me 9. ये ऐसे भी सोच सकते हो. मैम ने 1 को 9 बना दिया, 9 को 9 बना दिया. 1 को 9 बनाने के लिए मैम ने 9 से मल्टीप्लाई किया होगा, तो 6 को भी हम 9 से करेंगे. बट बेटर वे क्या होता है? LCM divided by denominators. 9 divided by 1. 1 9s are 9. 9 is the question. 9 I will multiply with the numerator. Minus sign. 9 LCM divided by the other denominator 9. 9 ones are 9. 1 is a question. 1 I will multiply with 14. Okay. 6 9s are 54 minus 14 ones are 14 upon 9. 54 minus 14 जब आप करोगे बच्चे, your answer will come what? It's gonna come 40 upon 9. ठीक है? Which is which kind of fraction? It is an improper fraction. So 40 divided by 9 हम करेंगे. 9 4s are 36 होता है, 9 5s are 45 होता है. So 9 4s are 36 लिखा हमने. What will be left? 4 will be left. Q R D. Q R D. 4 whole 4 by 9. That's it for the class, students. Listen to your homework very carefully. Your homework is exercise 28. 3 8 9. ये क्लासों के क्वेश्चंस आपके नोटबुक में जाएंगे. ये वाला एक्सरसाइज 29 जाएगा. 2 questions these, 3 questions these. उसके अलावा आप खुद से क्या प्रैक्टिस करोगे? 3 8 9, 14 18 and 6 and 9. Okay. 6 and 9 if you are confused, no problem. You can ask me as a doubt in the next class. Okay. आप मुझे WhatsApp पे बच्चे अपने डाउट सेंड कर देना कि मैम we could not do this particular part or this particular word problem. You can send me your doubts. Okay. And I will explain you in the next class. Okay. तो चलो. The remaining questions are your homework. Okay, बच्चे? That's it for the class. All the best.